Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. Do you grow hydrangeas in your garden? These are magnificent perennial bushes that decorate the garden with flowering all summer. Hydrangea loves partial shade, acidic soil and moisture. This year, I decided to plant 5 different types of paniculate hydrangea in my mixed border. Let's do it together. The next variety is Hydrangea Paniculata Hercules. This variety of hydrangea is a must-have in your garden. Hercules is a very beautiful plant. Its main differences are very large inflorescences. The length of each flower can reach 16 inches or 40 centimeters. The bush grows to a height of 60 to 80 inches or 1.5 to 2 meters. An adult plant occupies this volume, also 60 to 80 inches in diameter. Hydrangea Hercules blooms in July-September. If you take good care of this type of hydrangea, flowering will be in the 4th year. Hydrangea Hercules does not like shade. The best places in the garden for this plant are sunny beds. Hercules prefers fertile, loose soils, does not respond well to lack of moisture, and needs regular watering. Adult bushes of this hydrangea can winter without shelter. Well, it's done. I will see the result of my work in the spring. I hope you find this video useful and interesting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.